had made a video last year, I think it was, for my cranberry fudge that I absolutely adore. Well, this year I'm cut back on sugar, so I'm trying to find an alternative version. This is not completely sugar-free, but it's really, really close. So we're going to try it and see how it works. We're going to make bark. I'd rather it be fudge, but I have to, you know, take what I can get. I'm going to start with these baking chips. You can either use Chalk Zero or Lily's white chocolate baking chips. So this bag is a 9-ounce bag. So I took it, I put it in a bowl, I melted it. And then I'm going to take, now you can chop these up. I'm not going to today, but pistachios. And I just bought a small bag because I want to make sure this recipe is going to work before I commit to something so big. So go ahead and put all these pistachios in there. This was a 2.5-ounce pack. They're already shelled. You have to work quickly with their chocolate because it seems like it sets up really fast. Okay. So I got those in there. And I have sweetened cranberries that are dried, of course. I'm sure you could get unsweet, but I don't know if you'd have to add more sweetener to it. You know, alternative sweetener, of course, but this is just something I'm going to try and see how good it does this year. Okay, I just put in a few handfuls, just enough to kind of even it out. You can add more or less, however you want to do. You're going to need a baking sheet that's got wax paper on it. And it will not go in the oven, so it's going to go in your freezer or your fridge to set up, and then you'll break it up into pieces. Okay, so we already got that. Let's see if I can get all this out. This really sets up quickly. It seems like it sets up faster than regular almond bark does. I don't know why, but it seems like it combined really well. It's the first time I've ever used Lily's before. And you just need to spread this out best you can. I'm gonna try to find my, let me find my, this is gonna be a little bit better. Because it's wanting to stick to whatever I touch it with. Okay. I think that's about as. Let's see. I love this. Let's see if I can get that. Oops. Spread better that way. Okay. I didn't want to make a really big batch because I'm not sure how it's going to work. So it's just me experimenting. Okay, so this is going to be cranberries, pistachio, white chocolate, bark. Okay, I'll show you when it comes out of the freezer. Taste it and see how it does. See you later. Okay, y'all, I have reached success with this bark. It does perfectly. You can add less nuts and cranberries if you want to. But this will have to be stored in the fridge. And so I was able to find something that I can enjoy just like everybody else. It's very similar to the fudge that I make that's full of sugar. So this is not completely, utterly sugar-free, but it's very close. Okay, see y'all later. Make sure that you like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye, everybody.